Rev Diputado, CJ Alatica, Wilson Baltasar, and John Lee Bolin. Tough move, but still 2 points from Rev Diputado.
But he knows how to get to his sweet spots. Gets his feet in the paint. Good mid-range shooter. Tulad doon, ang hirap nung tinira niya. Pero ito, ang ganda ng execution ng Binyan. Yung Mabulak has Diputado. And because they converge on that, left Subino wide open. Mintis lamang.
Bagsak si John Lee Bolin, pero naiwanan nilang libre si Diputado. Masyadong malakas lang yung kanyang tres.
They have numbers. 5-4. Somebody's open on the weak side.
And it's Subino draining the trifecta from the corner.
That is just undisciplined defensively.
By the Hacienderos. Lastimosa, tumikada sa tres. Mintis, Baltasar with a rebound. 24-13. Diputado gets the step. Tough finish, high off the glass and in. Sa poste, Mabulak. Balik kay Lasco. Pull-up jumper by Damian Lasco. Straight but short. Pitch ahead. CJ Alatica with a strong finish off that pass from Raymar Caduyak.
Way short, but nobody's sprinting down on defense. Alatica, the first one there. The first one also to finish. Bonifacio, that's a big basket.
Second triple of the ball game for Warren Bonifacio. Was held scoreless in that first period. Bounce pass, Alatica, nakabuelo, pinomba pa! Coming around with that reverse layup.
Talk about showing off your athleticism. Di na nakontento sa isang side, nag-finish pa sa kabila eh.
Mahinay na rebound, Alatica is ahead. Just running circles around the defense, lays it up and in! The roster he has and the capability that they certainly have.
Whoa!
Oh! So Acorma almost made it. Mabulak putting it back in plus a foul. But CJ Alatica.
Sino yun? Fighting Maroon ba yun? Captain Ball ba yun dati?
Sa loob, Jopit Soriano puts it back in.
And his strength is obviously putting his head down and getting to the rim.
Formento seeking contact, makes the three anyway in the first half. Acorma. Open free, JJ Pido. Short. Rebound, Matt De Leon. Formento. Met by a triple team na agaw ni JJ Pido. JJ all the way, wala. Pingre sa ilalim. Will just put it back up and in. Gino Manansala. Formento again, seeking contact. Ball bouncing high up in the air. It ends up with Keniro Acorba. Pingris, balik kay Raimundo, dumps it down low. Soriano.
Partially blocked, I believe.
Great effort of challenging that shot. Pamboy left open, knocks that one down from beyond distance.
If they could execute offensively to generate open shots, it puts them in a good flow.
They did not do a good job in that last game against Caloocan in terms of coming out strong in the third, but a totally different case at
Let alone if it's a three. Pamboy gusto bawiin.
malakas. Ahead, Formento, all alone. 5 straight points. Counter-attack galing sa Negros, Hacienderos.
Ang ganda ng recognition doon ni Alatica. Touchdown sa kabilang panig kay Formento. Hibayan. That's clearly a foul by Jeremy Mahinay, I believe.
They get the offensive rebound. Barba, wala. Formento. Siyang magtitimon muna para sa Negros. Screen set by CJ Alatica. CJ, dump inside. 2 points for Jeremy Mahinay.
To start the quarter by Negros.
7 points in a span of a minute and a half for the Hacienderos. Hindi nakita ni CJ. Gimpayan makes them pay. Tapping it in. Magkakasama for Negros. Formento. Catch and shoot free. Bucket.
Nice escape dribble, no?
Diputado. Fading away over Pamboy Raimundo. Tough shot. Alatica with the offensive rebound. Going right at J-Mark Impayan. That will roll through for CJ. Pinoy Sakuragi. Hand off to Roa. Pull-up jumper by Kenny is good. They needed that one.
At the three-point line, there was a little hesitation. It was a miss, but that time a pull-up to his left. Here's Kenny. He's definitely comfortable of doing this.
Leaning in, banking that shot.
Sabi niyan.
2 minutes remaining. Halos di na nakatingin sa ring doon si Jopet Soriano, but just flipping it up and in, plus a foul.
Himself.
Lastimosa hops down the lane. Mabulak likes that shot. That's exactly why he knocks it down. Resets their offense.
Subito's wide open. He's been open since the offensive rebound.
Bigla nakita. Lastimosa will put it up and put it in from downtown.
Lastimosa says, in this quarter.
Paubos ng oras sa ating third quarter. Scoring run. Massive. That's a 15-1 run before that basket by Raymar Caduyak.
Ko na may pag-asang makaharap ko or makita ko itong mga players na to sa Maynila.
In transition, good defense once again by Renzo.
Alatica Bumuelo puts it in despite the heavy contact. Hinalap si Caduyak, recovers. Nagpanggaan sila ni Formento, 4 on their shot clock.
Turnaround.
Formento over Sopeto, cold-blooded from John Formento with a big-time free.
Hey, Coach Boy.
Formento is feeling it right now against Poypoy Yacob. He want the ball out of his hands. Alatica slides in, dumps it down low. Mahinay puts it in.
There's the basket.
Jopet Soriano, Mark Pingres, and Carlo Lastimosa. Missing the services today of Nick Caballero. That's a big-time shot from rainbow distance. Pamboy Raimundo.
Cherish it when you can, Ken. Pero darating ka rin dyan. Maniwala ka sa akin. Pamboy, back-to-back, wala.
Tip in. Sino ba yun?
Soriano.
Jopet. 4 minutes left. Binyan holding on to the 7-point lead. Diputado playing Raimundo tough. Lastimosa gets to his spot and scores.
Again, off the terrific screen by
Wow.
Pamboy. Yeah. But really, it started off with JJ Pido moving his feet and then the switch by Soriano and the quick hands.
And mind you, JJ Pido, kakapasok lang yan. So, Coach Boyet making that decision and paying dividends. Sa ilalim, Alatica, a fine performance, 16 points, 8 rebounds, and 6 assists. But they're still behind by 7. Dangerous pass. Roa Corva catching it, soaring over Mahinay, drawing a foul. Roa Corva earning himself 2 free throws.
You know, this may be irrelevant, but it's on the losing end. Jeremy Mahinay was the one who fouled and challenged. I'm just happy that it wasn't a hard foul because it gave me a little flashback, unfortunately, you know, of how, you know, couple seasons ago that he was indefinitely suspended. And it seems to me that he learned from his mistake. Right? It's good to see for him to just challenge up in the air and then the foul was called. And nonetheless, Binyan, 8-point lead, maybe a 3, no? Would sort of like add sa kaba nitong Binyan right here.
Layo nito, Formento way off.
That's the game.
But went for the home run instead. Binyan still up by 3 possessions. Pablo Raimundo release pass to Mark Pingres. Binyan. It's been an uneven start to their season. Lost to Jensen on opening day at home. Bounce back and then had that difficulty against Quezon last Tuesday. And they had to stave off a comeback attempt by Negros after being up by 17. Negros getting to within 3. And just talking about the Hacienderos, they've given teams like Caloocan and a team like Binyan at least in spurts na they could hang in around but just could not sustain it. And unfortunately,